How do you unlink the pages from other pages in Word? Hi everyone, my name is Saad, and in this video we are going to see that if you have a Word document several pages long and let's say you want to insert the page number at the footer, so how you will unlink it from the other pages. As we can see here that whenever we want to insert, let's say, a footer, we will just click on any footer page of any page, and if we go to this special section which appears when we double click on the footer, header and footer options. Now if we insert the page number on the bottom of the page and we insert it like this, as we can see it's starting from number 3, but we are on the third page. It's starting from number 1 basically, and it will continue the numbering throughout all the pages. But let's say we are writing a book and the first page is just about the introduction of the book and second page is about the topics that we will be covering. So this should not involve the page number, and from let's say the fourth page or third page the numbering should start, but it should show 1 on the third page. So how will we do this? Let's see. Now what you will simply do is first of all just remove all the numbers. Now if you want to remove the page numbers, just double click on any of the page, just go to header and footer section. In the page numbers, just remove the page numbers from here. Pretty simple, right? Now let's say that I want 1, 2 and 3 after third page. So all you have to do is just go to first layout tab and go to breaks and click on next page. Now it will identify it as a next page, and now just you can simply go to the footer. Just link to the previous option will be enabled. Just unlink that and then apply the page number to the bottom of the page. Now it shows the number 1. So you don't have to format this, but let's say if it is showing some other number for some reason, just go to right click and click on format page numbers, and it should start with 1. If it is not, just you can mention it by yourself. Click OK, and that's pretty much it. As we can see, this is page number 1. The first page empty, second page empty, third page empty, and this is the fourth page which starts from number 1, and it should continue the numbering like this. So this is the quickest solution for that. Also, if you were having the problem on finding this link to previous option, that's how you enable it. So guys, if you want to see other amazing tips and tricks on Microsoft Word, you can find the playlist link in the description. Also, if you want to join our complete basic to advanced training course on the latest version of Word, you can find the course link as well in the description. So that's pretty much it. Mention down in the comments if that works for you, and I will see you in the next one.